In this video, I will show you how to connect Printify to Ecwid. So you will see if you open up Printify and sign into your account from within all the integrations right here, currently they don't have Ecwid. You will see it's not available right here. Now, in order to actually connect Printify to your Ecwid store is still possible, and to do it, open up Ecwid, and what you want to go and do is head into the app section and then click App Market. Now this will cost some money, so that's a bit of a downside, but if you search in the apps right here for Printify, you will see the Printify integration. So integration with Printify, dropshipping and custom printing service. It does cost $8.49 per month, and on top of that you will need to have the Venture plan or higher, which is an additional €25 per month if you bill monthly. So in order to integrate this, you will need to upgrade to get the app, then install the app, then sign into your account, and then you will see Printify will be synced to your products in one click, and you can choose from 900 plus high quality products, and it does work, but you will need to pay some money, so that's a bit of a downside. Now this integration is created by these people from Infinite Apps. They have a bunch of different apps, you can see right here, for Shopify, Lightspeed, Ecwid, Duda, Easy Store, and again Shopify. So they are trustworthy and they actually do what they say, but again it will cost in this case €9.44 per month to use this app. So after installing it, just going to connect to your Printify account by logging in, and then you will have connected Printify to Ecwid. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.